I think the behavior of the dust was quite remarkable because it really made boot prints stand out, as if you really had some substance that transferred from just a dusty surface to now a compact like talcum powder. But it's not really, when you look at it, it's not round like sand is, because there's no air to blow the dust and round the edges. And what it really is fractured glass spheres. When a small particle strikes dust that's been there, it causes the melting of what it hits, and it splashes out. And then it distributes around spheres of glass that may fracture on impact, but certainly they're going to be hit by other things later on. So the glass, which is melted rock, cooled rapidly. Because it's small, it'll cool rapidly. And that was a surprise to a lot of people. But that wasn't something that we realized right away. It just behaved differently. When I would put my foot down, it would spray out, and it all landed in a semicircle. It doesn't do that here on Earth. It just looks different because you got an atmosphere on the Earth. Well, and when you put your foot down, what sprinkles out is in a lot of different directions, and there's air to change its direction. It just behaves differently. But the realization of an intellect that looks at something and then realizes that it hasn't changed in hundreds of thousands of years. Just a little bit more dust has accumulated. If there was a big impact, it would be fresh looking. But if it's just kind of rolly like that, you know and you can look and see the horizon curving away because it's so clear. And you know, I shouldn't use that word. Most people talk about a flat Earth society. Well, you get in certain places where it's flat, and you can convince yourself that it's flat, but not on the moon. You can just see it kind of curving away, and you can imagine that you're on a ball.